think about your career as a marathon, and I'm not even sure that that's the right way to characterize it, but it's so easy, certainly when you're an investment banking analyst, you're just thinking about the next couple of hours or tomorrow. You're not thinking about 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. And I felt that that bred a lot of discomfort in terms of anxiety about going through the interview process. And there was this track, and if I was off the track, that meant something was wrong with me. And I had those flame out interviews. I had an offer pulled. I had some pretty dark moments. Just kind of trust that things are going to happen. And this is a journey for everyone. And just because you don't fit the perfect mold of your classmates or even your school classmates that are looking for interview jobs, like we found that some of our best hires have been the guys and gals that have not taken the traditional tracks.